Hello guys, it's your boy Stevie. Another new morning. The quarantine is still on, and for us who are still alive and healthy, we are thankful. We take note. We do the precautions. We wash our hands. We keep a distance. But this thing shall come to an end. It's not as serious as people make it sound. There's something bigger than this. Uh, I will urge you people not to watch mainstream media. Most of the things that they're telling us, they are lies. They are things that are not true. I think the most important thing they're trying to do is to drive panic and fear into people, which is not a good thing because someone who is on panic mode is like a drunk person. They don't make rational decisions, and this only happens when you listen to too much of the fear and misleading information. I don't believe in mainstream media. So what I would recommend is keep calm, just take the precautions, stay at home, wash your hands, do what is necessary, but it's not that serious. It shall come to pass. There's something much more bigger than this that I believe is cooking, and it has to do with money. It's financial related. Because in 2016, Robert Kiyosaki had already thought it out and said there was supposed to be there's an imminent crash that was to take place. So any other thing that they're telling us is just a lie. We don't have to believe everything that they say. It's just a lie. So, but take the precautions so that you be safe from the disease. Otherwise, do not fear. Keep calm and be at peace. So this will take. Um, in the meantime, be at peace and relax. Do something. Learn new stuff. Develop a skill. Start a new business. Uh, Develop yourself. For those people who have families, bring up your families. Bring the bonds and the ties. Okay, but for me, the reason why I'm shooting this video is because I'm thinking maybe we can do something to make some money online, something that will help us to become better. So what I'm thinking of, we should think of ideas. I have two ideas. I'm putting links on the description. One is Crowd One, the other one is Forsage. There means with which you can make money online when you're still at home. So just click on the link and check on them. I will do another video to tell you more about them. But for now, keep calm, be at peace. God is still in control. Thank you for watching this video.